So here we are again. And I hope you're ready for the next intermediate activity. And we're going to bring it back to something we did in beginner activities, which was to create a hot beverage and drink it. The difference is that last time I wanted you to not start meditating until you sat down with the drink. And then you were supposed to keep the mantra going. Now, of course, you will not keep the mantra going. You will simply be aware of the breath. And I want you to start the meditation session as soon as you begin making the drink. So as soon as you go into the kitchen to make a cup of tea or a coffee or a cocoa or whatever you like to drink, then start being aware of the breath as soon as you enter the kitchen. And stay there, here, while you open the cupboard, take out the tea bag, fill the water heater with water, fill the cup. Everything you do, do it consciously. Be extremely aware of yourself, your breath, and just be in the movements of what you are doing. And then fill the hot water in the cup, put in the tea bag or the coffee, and then bring the cup with you where you're gonna sit and drink it slowly, and keep being aware of your breath. Now this entire process might take anywhere from 15 minutes to half an hour, and that's perfect. There will probably pop up a lot of thoughts. This is the first time you're actually going to do something more than just sitting, because you're going to be walking around in the kitchen, finding things, moving things, doing things. And so this will be something new. And it will require that you are extremely self-aware, aware enough to pull yourself back whenever your mind wanders. Do not be tempted to deal with any mental things. Just let them be, let them vanish on their own, and keep making the drink. And as you walk through the room to the next room where you're going to sit and drink it, just be aware of your feet touching the floor. Remain aware of your breath. Don't make it complicated. Just breathe. Just do what you're doing. And so I want you to do this at least once to actually master it. And mastering it means that you're able to meditate from the start to the end without getting distracted, simply being aware. Nothing exists outside of this moment where you are now. Whatever happens outside of the walls in the room you are in does not exist. Not in meditation, because it only exists inside your mind as a thought, as a feeling. But meditation is a noiseless mind. So, try that. And when you master that, give yourself a good pat on the back and return here for the next lesson. Good luck.